everybody, it's Cultured Cowboy Chuck out on the front porch of the Cultured Cowboy Western store. We sell an awful lot of something that's a throwback to the 1980s. But they say what goes around comes around, and it's coming around again. That's right, the nylon web belts. Lots of colors or solids, whatever you like. But we do have a lot of people that maybe weren't even born in the 1980s. So I'm here to demonstrate what's commonly called the hot knot with this belt. It's simple, it's easy. Number one, you take your handy belt and you put it to a buckle like you would any time. Pin that thing where you want. Come through the first belt loop. Come up from the bottom side. Dip it down through the loop you just made and give her a cute tug. It's cute, it's simple, it's attractive. It can be your personality style. A hot knot on a nylon web belt. Thank you very much. In fact, we'll do a close-up next in case you didn't quite catch it.